In this video, we are going to discuss how to change SharePoint Online modern site theme, as well as we will see how we can create a custom theme using SharePoint Online modern theme generator. So basically, apart from that, also we will see other things like how we can change the logo, layout, background color, and then we will also see how we can use PowerShell to remove a SharePoint Online modern theme, and we will see how we can also get all the modern site themes, and also we will see the best practices for the SharePoint site logo. All these things we will check here. So without further delay, what we'll do is we will open my SharePoint site. So okay, if you are interested for SharePoint training, then I have various training courses. You can have a look at this. And if you are interested, you can send me an email on hello@sharepoint sky.com, or you can send an email to hello@spguides.com. So I'll prefer you'll send an email to hello@spguides.com. Now, this is a SharePoint site. You can see here by default this is a modern SharePoint online site, and here we will change the SharePoint theme. So what does meaning by SharePoint theme first of all? So your theme will give an easy way where you can change the look and feel of the site. So you can give a professional style for your SharePoint site, like your SharePoint logo, color, background color, well, this kind of things. And so basically your site owners can have the option where they can change it. They can apply various custom themes on this. And the good thing is that Microsoft provide options where you can create custom themes as well. If you are not if it is not coming to a business requirement, then you can create your one. Now, by default, SharePoint provides various themes on the SharePoint online site. Like there will be a theme for blue, orange, red, purple, gray color, green color. Similarly, there will be a dark yellow, dark blue, like this. So where you can see all these things. So if you will go to any, you can open any SharePoint online modern site. So remember, I'm going to show here on the SharePoint modern site. It has a little different on when you will try in the classic SharePoint site, but this is a modern site. So you can click on this settings icon or the gear icon, and then when you will come here, there is an option which is saying that change the look. So once you click on change the look, then you have two options here, theme and header. So you can click on this theme in this case, and you can see here these are the themes. So these are the out of box themes that Microsoft has provided for this SharePoint online. So you can select any theme. For example, you will select this green one, and then they just save. You can scroll down and you will be able to see the save button here, so you can save it. So you can see here, I'll just click on save, and then the theme has been changed now to the green color. So you can see here the logo, the button, everything is coming like green color. You can see here. Now, the other way, next thing is you can actually customize the theme even. So for example, if I will go back again to our theme, so change the look, and then you can see here header, and then this is what is our theme is selected now. So you can click on customize, and then you can actually change the color, and then main color and the accent color. So you can change these colors as well. So if you want, you can change this. So this way quickly you can customize this theme on this SharePoint online site. Now, there is also another way that you can change the header thing. So that is basically the layout that you can change, header layout. So if you go to change the look, then you can see here there is an option which is saying an as header. So you can see here. So when you will change it, actually you will see the option where it's saying a standard. So you can see here by default this is the standard layout. But if I'll select the compact lookout, you can see here the logo got small, and then this space becomes little crunchy. And you can see here now it is becoming little bigger on this. Now next we will see how we can change the logo. So the logo is quite important for any organization. This defines your company, what this site you are using, so you can able to know from the logo itself. So it defines your brand, what is your the site all about. So you can change this logo. So if I'll actually show you, just I'll inspect here, and then you can, if I'll just take the cursor here, you can see here it is saying 64 to 64 pixel. So actually if you want to use this much logo, then you can use this. But a little if I will, let me just upload a logo, and that is definitely not 60 to 64 into 64. So we will see how exactly that is appearing. So click on change, and it will give you an option where you can select the logo. I'll select SP guide here. This is a logo, and you can see here now, you can see here how it is appearing now. It is looking perfectly fine in our site, but only thing is it just a little right side, it just moved this portion. So you can see here how it is appearing now. Click on save button, and then you can see here the logo has been changed, and then not like the 64-bit 64 by 64, it is a different size logo. And then if I'll just exactly show you, now you can see here, now it is 192.49. So this was actually not 49, it was I think 85 or something. And then it is actually just adjusted the width and the height as well for this. So make sure when you are actually creating a logo, you should not take a very big one, because even if you Microsoft will or the SharePoint will try to adjust, then it will the image might blur a little bit. So make sure you can put a particular size on this. And next, if you want to change the background, there's also another way you can change the site logo. That's, you can go to the site information, and then you can see here also you have the option where you can change the site logo apart from changing the site name, description, all these things. Now next we will see how we can change the background color. So you can see here, I'll go to change the look, and here is the header, and then you can see here this is the background color that you can change. So you can see here, if you look at this person, you can see here changing. If I'll make it to green, you can see here now, here it is, the background color of this header person has been changed. You can see here it is now a full green color. Now we will see how we can create a custom theme in SharePoint Online using the SharePoint Online theme generator tool. So that is basically a tool where you can generate, or we can create the theme, and once we deploy that through PowerShell, it will appear over here. So in this theme it will appear, that theme will come, our custom theme will come here. Now for that, I'll put the URL for this. So in the video description, you can have a look at this also, this URL. And here you can see, in this case, what it is happening is your primary color, text color, and background color. These three colors basically that you will change, and you can change to anything. So for example, I will take this one, or you can take this one, and then you can see here text color, you can take anything, and then the background color you can take something as well. You can see here I can take the background color, let's say this one, like this you can take, or you can take a slightly blue one. You can see here now you have changed it. So once you have this, then you can see an option which is saying export theme. So once you click on export theme, you can see here there's an option there is a where you have this code. So go to this PowerShell option, and you can see this is basically the color has been there in this array, and this is what we require. So you have to copy this, and then we will use SharePoint Online Management Shell. So I have used here, I'll open my PowerShell, uh, Windows PowerShell ISE basically. You can see here Windows PowerShell ISE. I'll open an administrator mode. I can see here, but make sure you have to install SharePoint Online Management Shell. Once you install this, then only you will be able to use SharePoint Online Management Shell inside your Windows PowerShell as well. So once you have this, let me just copy this. This is the command that we need to execute. I'll explain this. So now basically if you are familiar with the other video where I have explained how we can connect to SharePoint Online site from your SharePoint Online management cell, then this is the command connect -spo service URL, and this is my SharePoint Online admin center URL, and then credential. So this will take my credential. Then this is the theme name that I have provided. So for example, in this case, if you'll see here, I have provided TS info, and then this is what is the things that will copy here. Now for example, in this particular case, let me copy from here. So I'll just copy everything from here, whatever we selected here, and then I'll come back here and I will paste it here. So you can see here, let me just do a control Z here. I will put like this, and I don't need these things. You can see here, this is what is required. So we did this, and then add -spo theme is the command which will take the theme, and then this is what you have to pass, whatever the palette that we have created, and then if you don't want to override, then you can override false. Else if you will not pass anything, it will actually override the theme if you have anything. Now I will run this. So once I run this, it will ask take the credential, and it is asking me putting the password. So I'll put the password here and I'll click on OK. So once you click on OK, now you can see here, now it is executed successfully. So if I'll go back to my SharePoint Online site, I will just refresh once this site, and then I will go to the site settings. Sorry, we'll go to the change the look. So you can see here settings icon, change the look, and then theme, and you can see here this is our theme TS info. I'll select this, I'll click on save. So you can see here it has been changed. So whatever we have selected, that the color and everything has been changed here. You can see here. So the other thing that we can do here is, let me we can also remove this theme. For example, we don't require this theme. The one way is I can select another theme. So for example, I will select, let's say this one. You can see here I just saved it. Uh, but this theme, but our custom theme will be there here. So if you'll go here, you can see here our custom theme is there. So if you want to delete it, then we can use the command here. So I'll just take it and I will just put it here. So if you are looking out for the script, then I will put the URL of, I have written an entire blog post for the same. So you can get it from the video description. I'll put the URL there. You will get all this command step, everything. Now here also this is simple command as usual, the last one. So only remove -spo theme, and you need to provide the theme name which will remove this theme. So make sure that you have, again for this command also it is a SPO command, so you have to install SharePoint Online Management Cell. So I'll run this, and then again it is asking me for the password. So I will just put my password here, and you can see here it should execute successfully. You can see here. Now I will go here, I will refresh this. So I'll refresh the site, and then I'll go to the same place. So you can see here just loading. I'll go to the settings and change the look, theme, and you can see here that theme is not there. So this is how you can also create and remove a custom theme from the SharePoint Online site, modern site. Basically this will not work the same way in classic site. This is applicable for the modern sites, and then this is what the SharePoint Online this tool, theme builder tool, which you can use to create our theme also.